Good morning, Maui. Looking at that surface analysis, our 1031 high pressure is clocking around and giving us a strong east wind. We have this new high pressure squeezing its way through, pushing these low pressures and giving us a strong westerly fetch out to yonder. We should also be getting a good east swell from this high pressure and winds. Looking at that wind map, we click on the islands to see a 43 knot east wind. We got this one swell generating waves towards California, and this second low pressure sending us a nice looking west-northwest swell towards the islands. When we jump to the crater, we got an east-southeast 7 mile an hour wind. That's probably like a rotor hitting the edge of the mountain and not feeling that true wind up there. When you jump to the Kauai sounding, you'll see that the winds are light on Kauai. There's no inversion. It's almost thunderstorm weather. And we jump over to the Big Island and we see we have 30 knot winds with a really scrambled inversion. So it's really hard to say which one you want to go by, but in the future I'll show you why the flying might not be that great. And here's the future. So it looks like we should be having a giant thundercloud, but since it's arising from the south, these are typically just high icing ice band clouds that don't associate with a lot of precipitation. Again, we watch that again. We can't see what the trace showers below are doing because this red band of high clouds is kind of overcasting the entire islands, but we got one more. When it comes to rain, you'll see these clouds are heading the exact opposite direction. These clouds are surface level clouds versus those other two maps which were high level clouds. We're showing almost no rain on Maui. That easterly direction is kind of blowing it all above. Looks like it's kind of swiping Oahu. It will be temporary showers coming in with the winds throughout the day. That's typical, but not as rainy as those giant red clouds make it look. Those are upper levels. Again, big blue. Looks like we're in one cloudy area. And let's see what Wind Guru has to say. Nuking east winds, giant east swell, super cloudy highs, not much rain until this afternoon from some other disturbance. Yep, sounds about me and Wind Guru on the same level. Looking at our tides, we got a 9-day-old moon. High tide this morning at 10. Moderately low, moderate, medium tide is going to be low for 5 o'clock. When we check out our local most buoy, we'll see that the waves are picking up again. We have a 10-foot, 12 seconds north swell hitting the island of Oahu. We scroll down to true wave height. We see 6.9, which is a 3 feet bigger than yesterday. The reading showing at 8.2, 7.5, 7.5, 13 seconds. And that's true wave height. And again, we'll just scroll a little farther down to yesterday where we were seeing exactly 3.0 readings. So we should have double the size of waves today. Hopefully they might hold those girls Honolulu Bay and the Sunset Pro contest. Not going to be epic, but it will be contestable. And finally, look at our sun. We did have some flaring happen the last few days out of this limb. There's been some releases, some filaments, but nothing too heavy. We have a few oncoming sections to keep our eyes on, but moderately calm sun as usual. Alright guys, it's cloudy. I guarantee Sandpiles is going to be really fun. Other than that, I don't know, go to pool. Alright guys, have a good day.